Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll share tips on how to use WhatsApp on two smartphones at the same time with the same account. To try this latest feature of WhatsApp now when this video firstly uploaded, you should try it on the beta version of WhatsApp. For the beta version that we use in this video is version 2.22.4.18 beta. If you want to get this beta version, you can directly download it from Play Store if you have joined as a beta tester. However, if you can't join but still want to try it right now on your second smartphone, you can also directly download the WhatsApp beta version with the same version as we use in this video on our Telegram channel. And of course, later after the release of the final version of this latest WhatsApp feature, you no longer need to use the beta version and can immediately download the latest WhatsApp on Play Store. Okay, now let's see how to activate it in this video. Here we have logged in the WhatsApp account on the main device, which is on the iPhone on the right. And now we will immediately make the Android on the left as the second device for the same WhatsApp account as the one on the iPhone. To activate the WhatsApp application on the second smartphone, here you just have to open the latest version of the WhatsApp application. Make sure you haven't logged in to any WhatsApp account on your phone. In the first screen of the WhatsApp application, before logging in to any number, you can click on the three dot option on the top right, then select link a device. Then on the WhatsApp display on the second phone, there will appear a barcode and also instruction on how to connect your second phone. Then here we can immediately open the settings on the main smartphone. In this video, the main account is on the iPhone. Then you can go directly to the WhatsApp settings and select link devices. Then here you just click the link a device button and unlock the iPhone with the Face ID. Then you just have to scan the barcode that appears on the second smartphone that you want to use the WhatsApp application. Then after linking the WhatsApp from the main device to the second device, now on the second smartphone, the WhatsApp chat will immediately appear just like the one on your first smartphone. So now you can immediately use two phones at the same time for the same WhatsApp account. This feature looks quite similar to the WhatsApp web feature that was previously released. The difference here is that previously you could only access WhatsApp on other devices on the web version only. And finally, in this latest version of WhatsApp, you can directly access WhatsApp on a different device without the need to open the web version of WhatsApp. And now you can directly access WhatsApp on the second phone directly on the WhatsApp application. So later in the latest version of WhatsApp, you can directly log in to WhatsApp on various devices at the same time with the same WhatsApp account. And of course, all chat contents will immediately sync across various devices that look exactly the same as the existing WhatsApp web feature. However, the difference is that now you can directly access WhatsApp on the second device directly on the WhatsApp application without the need to open the web version of WhatsApp. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.